Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Marvel Rivals use less RAM. First, let's dive into the game's graphics settings. Reducing texture quality to medium or low can significantly cut down on memory usage. Also, try lowering resolution scaling to 80% or even less. Disabling demanding visual effects like shadows and anti-aliasing, and capping your frame rate to 60 frames per second will further optimize performance and free up valuable system memory for a smoother experience. Next, it's crucial to manage your background applications. Before launching Marvel Rivals, close all non-essential programs, including web browsers, streaming services, and other open applications. Use your task manager to identify and end any processes that are consuming a lot of RAM. Additionally, ensure your graphics drivers are always updated to their latest version. Outdated drivers can sometimes lead to inefficient memory handling and reduced performance during gameplay. Optimizing your Windows settings can also make a big difference. Make sure Windows Game Mode is enabled as it prioritizes game performance. Adjust your system's visual effects for best performance rather than best appearance to reduce graphical overhead. Furthermore, disable unnecessary startup programs that automatically launch and consume memory. For advanced users, increasing your virtual memory or page file size can provide a temporary boost if physical RAM is consistently maxed out. Finally, maintaining overall system health is key to efficient RAM usage. Regularly restarting your computer helps clear out temporary files and memory leaks, giving you a fresh start. Perform routine scans for malware or viruses, as malicious software can secretly consume significant system resources. Always keep your operating system updated to benefit from the latest performance enhancements. If you frequently encounter RAM issues, consider adding more physical RAM to your system for a lasting solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.